Faces for Charity. Race with us at this year's British Grand Prix.
Put your face
on our cars
to help Wings for Life
find a cure for spinal
cord injuries. Travel at more than 310
kilometers an hour.
Go through high-speed corners pulling 4G. And complete a lap of Silverstone in less than 1 minute and 35 seconds.
Here's how. Take a picture.
Go to facesforcharity.com. Upload your photo. Donate to Wings for Life.
And race with us.
Red Bull Racing will match your donation. So what are you waiting for? Your face on our cars for an amazing cause. Be our wingman at this year's British Grand Prix.
And raise money for Wings for Life.
Sorry. To take part, go to facesforcharity.com.
Let's make a difference.
Join in at facesforcharity.com.